Hello, Purple Math folks. So today we're combining all the things that we've learned for the last week. Okay, so we're going to be doing perimeter, surface area, area, and volume. Okay, and it's going to ask you some questions, and you're just going to have to decide which one should I use. So let's just do a quick review of what each of them are. So perimeter is the distance around a figure. Okay, so if this was our shape, the perimeter would be this outside, right? 40 plus 20 plus 40 plus 20. Okay, when would we use perimeter? Perimeter would be if they said maybe like how much wood would go along the outside of this shape. Or I want to put ribbon or string along the outside of this. So that keyword there is outside. Okay, if you can figure out that they want something to do with the outside, that's the perimeter. Perimeter. Okay, next is area. Area is the number of square units inside a figure. It's equal to how long it is times how wide it is. And that's the inside. The inside. Okay, so it would be the inside. So that would be 20 times 40. And we would use area if it asked how much wood would you need to cover the inside, or how much paint would you need to cover the inside. Okay, the inside is the key word. And then last is volume. Volume, remember, is volume, cube, how many cubes we can fit inside a 3D shape. And it's length times width times height. Right, so if we had a rectangular prism that was 4 by 3 by 2, we would do 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 is 24. So that would be 24 units cubed. Okay, so anytime we're talking about filling things, like you need to, how much water do you need to fill a tank? How much sand do you need to fill a sandbox? Anytime we're talking about really the inside of a 3D shape, we would use volume. Okay, but if they say, how much wrapping paper would we need to cover this box? That would be surface area, right? We're just talking about the surface or the edges, not the actual inside of the shape or inside of the box. All right, what I recommend is every single question, if they don't have a picture for you, draw a picture and then make an arrow pointing to what it's wanting you to find. So here's what I mean. A rectangular banner is 4 feet wide and 8 feet long. I'm going to jot down a quick picture of that. 4 feet by 8 feet. How much ribbon is needed to trim the borders of the banner? How much ribbon is needed for the border? So when I hear border, I think of that outside edge. Okay, so I know that we're talking about the outside of this, not the inside of this. And then once I know that it has to be perimeter. Right? Perimeter is the distance around the outside or the border or the edge of a figure. Okay, so I would just add 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8, and I would get an answer of 24 feet. All right, so do the same thing for the other ones. Draw a picture and then point to what it is it's asking you to find. Okay, and that will tell you whether you should do perimeter or area or surface area or volume. All right, good luck. Give me a call if you need any help. Thanks. Bye.